Hi there, welcome to KA Designs. Today we'll be going over attachment for our control ring compatible with Sosum, Elasty, Neuramis, and Revita dermal filler products. We'll start by grabbing our control ring here. And for starters, we'll remove the currently attached control ring simply by clicking it off. Now with our new control ring, you want to start with the slope of the control ring facing upwards, and then introduce the thumb depressor into the adapter of the control ring, starting it like so, and then simply click it on. The control ring is now a cohesive part of the thumb depressor and piston of your syringe.